Imagine for a moment that a secret blueprint underlies everything around us, a design not fashioned by human hands, but a set of eternal cosmic principles that quietly guide us toward a more meaningful and mindful existence. These timeless insights have not only shaped our past, but continue to mold our future. Every thought, every emotion, and every deed sends ripples through an intricately connected universe, reminding us that we are all part of a grand tapestry. Consider first the idea that we are all united by a vast, unifying energy. This notion of divine oneness suggests that we are far from isolated. Instead, we are all intertwined threads in a magnificent cosmic fabric. When we embrace this unity, acts of kindness and compassion become natural responses, for every gesture of love contributes to a collective well-being that transcends individual boundaries. Moving deeper into the nature of our existence, we encounter the concept that everything is in constant motion. The law of vibration teaches us that every element in the universe, from the farthest galaxies to the tiniest particles, vibrates at its own distinct frequency. Our own thoughts and feelings are energy in motion, and by consciously elevating our inner frequencies, we open ourselves to attracting what we truly desire. Whether you seek abundance or love, aligning your inner energy with these aspirations is the key to manifesting them in your life. This interplay between our inner world and outer experiences is further illuminated by the law of correspondence. Essentially, it tells us that our external reality is a mirror of our internal state. When we nurture positive thoughts and a hopeful outlook, our environment responds in kind, creating a harmonious reflection of our inner light. Conversely, dwelling in negativity only serves to darken the world we perceive around us. Building on these ideas, the law of attraction posits that what we focus on most intently, whether consciously or subconsciously, has a magnetic power to draw similar energies into our lives. It's not just about wishing for a better future. It's about embodying the qualities of what you wish to attract. True transformation begins when you truly believe in your own capacity to bring your dreams into reality. Yet, belief alone is not enough. The journey from vision to reality requires action, and this is where the law of inspired action comes into play. This principle reminds us that while aligning our thoughts and emotions is essential, it is equally important to take intuitive, heartfelt steps toward our goals. When your actions arise naturally from your inner guidance, they carry the energy of authenticity and purpose, paving the way for your dreams to materialize. Every experience we have, every emotion we feel, is a form of energy that is constantly evolving. According to the law of energy transmutation, nothing is ever truly lost. Instead, energy shifts from one form to another. This means that even when we face negative thoughts, we have the power to transform them into positive energy. By making a deliberate choice to shift our focus, we can change our personal reality and cultivate a life filled with vibrancy and hope. Moreover, the universe operates on a principle of reciprocity, a concept captured by the law of cause and effect. Every action we take, whether good or bad, sets off a chain reaction that eventually finds its way back to us. This idea, often linked to the notion of karma, encourages us to act with integrity and kindness, knowing that our deeds, however small, have the power to shape our future experiences. Complementing this is the law of compensation, which assures us that the value we contribute to the world returns to us in equal measure. Whether it's through a compassionate gesture, sharing your insights, or simply being present for others, the energy you offer is rewarded. This natural exchange is a beautiful reminder that giving freely can lead to a richer, more fulfilling life. Our perception of life's events is also shaped by the law of relativity, which teaches that nothing is inherently good or bad. It all depends on the meaning we assign. What one person sees as a setback, another might view as an opportunity for growth. This perspective encourages us to approach life's challenges with an open heart and
a flexible mind, understanding that every experience has the potential to contribute to our evolution. Another layer of this intricate web of universal principles is revealed by the law of polarity. This law highlights the inherent duality in everything. Light coexists with darkness, joy with sorrow, and success with failure. Recognizing this dual nature of life allows us to see that even in our most difficult moments, there is a seed of
opportunity waiting to bloom. The contrasts we experience are not obstacles, but complementary forces that help us grow and evolve. In much the same way that nature follows the cycle of the seasons, the law of rhythm reminds us that life moves in predictable patterns. Periods of activity are naturally interspersed with moments of rest, and times of prosperity often give way to challenges. By learning to flow with these natural cycles rather than resist them, we become more patient and resilient, trusting that every phase has its rightful place in our journey. Finally, there is the law of gender, a principle that transcends physical distinctions and speaks to the balance of energies within each of us. It is about harmonizing the assertive with the receptive, the logical with the intuitive. Embracing both sides of our nature enables us to become more complete, balanced individuals capable of reaching our fullest potential. By understanding and aligning with these universal principles, we don't just gain insight into the mysteries of existence, we become active co-creators of our destiny. Every thought we nurture, every action we take, sends waves through the cosmos, contributing to a reality that reflects our innermost selves. If this message resonates with you and inspires you to explore a deeper connection with the universe and your own inner power, I invite you to take the next step on this transformative journey. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your participation is vital as we build a community dedicated to growth and positive change. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.